know that this can seem like a lot, and don't try to bite it all at one time. Take it step by step. Take it step by step and do it in community. Do it in community. So, in their culture, we live in a right and wrong, an innocent and guilt culture. They operated in what is called an honor and shame culture. And there's many books. There's books in my Patreon and different things like that that can help you for those of us that are nerds like me that want to understand some of this stuff. But again, um, um, we think right, wrong, guilty, innocent. They think honor and shame. How do we they crucified Jesus? One of the reasons is because the Pharisees didn't like him. Rather, let me slow down. One of the reasons the Pharisees did not like Jesus is they felt that he was taking away honor from them. For them, honor was like there was only so much of it, and everyone was trying to gain as much honor as they could. And so when Jesus comes along, the Pharisees felt like he was taking honor that they felt like belonged to them. And so again, we have to understand, the more we understand their culture, the better we understand scripture. So I want to pause right here and let everybody see, I know that this is a lot. I know that this can seem like a lot, and don't try to bite it all at one time. Take it step by step. Take it step by step and do it in community. Do it in community.